Good evening, everybody.
Welcome, welcome.
Hope you guys are doing good. It's good to see you. We're gonna finish up. The hell are we playing? What's this game? Heavy Rain. We're finishing up
say Cold Rain.
Oh, dang it. I was about to say, how
light
heavy
drizzle?
is it? You have a question?
the annoying you.
It's okay.
Take the stairs over there.
Good job, Jamie. No, shut up.
You should just bring as many as you think I need and then double that.
Scared.
I'm like 60% certain this is blue cheese, and I
Crazy bitch came around here asking questions about the apartment.
Well, I'm gonna look it up.
Oh, is he talking to the guy? Is he talking to the origami killer? Oh my god, he is.
How do I?
It's you do the half quarter circle.
Yeah.
That's a really good.
Do you remember? Oh, Michael, you remember Frog and Toad?
Of course I remember Frog and Toad.
Fuck.
How could I not?
He's dead.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh shit, it's the guy.
Swords.
Ah! Oh, please don't get cut open, John.
Ah!
Oh no, the fish!
No! I thought it was me in my first story.
Alright, bye Mr. Origami Killer.
I don't know the guy came to see him, John.
Oh.
His name's John.
And when did they announce Kingdom Hearts 3?
2013. You failed the quarter circle.
45 caliber semi.
You know, after I play this game, I think I'm good enough to play Tekken. With the amount of quarter circles
Street
I've been...
Fighter, here I come.
Right. I like water.
Yeah,
That's too bad.
Dude, the people who are like,
I thought I could just
why are you here?
Why is she back again?
You're not the origami killer, Ethan.
Wait, she literally just showed up, had a fantasy about someone murdering her, and left her apartment forever.
Ran into this guy, starts helping him escape from the police. Could get SNX.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
Yes! Woo! That's the worst kiss I've ever had.
We got it!
Ew, it's three-dimensional!
It's not even good.
This is the reason she's in the game.
We gave her one. Like,
This is the reason.
This won't be a problem for Twitch, will it, Jay?
I mean, they're not gonna see anything that bad.
Okay.
Everybody shut up. First try, well done.
good job! Showing those varied
Unrealistic.
skills right there.
So what was that about saving your son?
Ooh, my back.
Damn! My guy, stop! She's the origami killer.
I mean,
You just unbuckle her bra. Origami falls out.
Oh. Oh.
Butterfly. What is this? Life is strange?
Butterflies in the sky.
Too immediate.
All this time and I had no idea.
Ethan, what's the matter?
What's that, Ethan?
I thought I meant something to you.
Listen,
Oh shit, Sean's redeeming hydrated hydrate, but I don't have any
Oh,
water.
I have.
Someone
I
drink.
have hydration.
Oh, well, someone drink.
Wow, yikes.
I wanted to tell you, but
What kind of article were you gonna write? My life with a serial killer?
She's a reporter?
Yup.
The origami killer. I thought you wanted to help me, but you're only thinking of writing a fucking book!
all I want is for you to find your son alive.
And you're huge.
When it's all over, I want to be with you.
Oh. Don't touch me.
Ooh, John. You have an opportunity here.
That's true, Sean, yeah.
You already got your cheeks.
Are you? You already got the cheeks.
Oh my god.
Now the question is, do you want the cheeks?
It's
red?
Yeah.
You lied to me.
Well,
Oh, did you decide?
No, I didn't touch anything!
No,
It
I said
did.
it was disappearing. Yeah.
I'll never be able to trust
well, I guess it decided for us.
Aww.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Was it Nick
It's
Slam?
the dick cop.
The cops, they're in the motel. You've got to get out of here.
I don't know where it stands.
Don't move!
Uh-oh.
Ah!
What's this true?
My son's gonna die! You gotta save him! Please! Save my son!
Who are you?
This man.
Yeah, it's been tough.
It's not bad. His not bad.
Whoa. Anybody else see that?
No.
What? Do what?
He had all his fingers back.
Yeah.
No, it was on his left hand. That his.
No.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're right.
Yeah!
The continuity!
We grew it back!
This game is
See, I told you, all you have to do is let it grow back. It's fun.
Lord?
He's got water though.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
And you can definitely survive.
Oh.
Okay.
Shelby.
Ooh,
Who's
it's
this?
great. It's the dad
Oh,
of
it's
the
the
other
dad.
guy. Well, that's bad.
Yeah. Nah, this is fine actually. Yeah, oh, you gotta.
Wait, you got.
You should
I think you just
untie
killed
her.
I think did we just kill her?
Oh shit!
Were we not gonna save her?
Well,
I tried to. Well, not really, but.
No, you did not.
who's
You
the
did
killer
not try
now,
to save
Scott
her.
Shelby?
Continuity is bad.
That's
Stay
true.
back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
Bitch.
Lauren is dead!
Oh, we killed her. I mean, you killed her.
Lordy,
You still got that gun,
he
right?
always wanted his fun, you know. He wanted to be like...
Oh, good. He wanted to be like the serial killer.
He kidnapped that kid. And he held him under the water for a little too long. It was an accident.
What about John Shepard? Why did you put flowers on his grave?
I own the construction site where he died.
And you just let a dude live on it?
John had a twin brother.
Hello.
What happened to him?
I don't know. He was
John just killed 18 people.
Right.
We counted.
In like a minute and a half.
This is very impressive.
Very John Wick style.
Anna
Like,
Shepard.
My heart!
oh no,
Oh,
no,
he's
no, no,
faking
no, no.
it. He's faking it.
100%.
Leave him. Leave him.
Or shoot him.
Leave him.
Sucks to
Bye.
You can hey, you can watch all of our other streams at
YouTube.
our usual
Yeah,
spot on
youtube.com/@ourusualspot. They are condensed into highlights that are consumable and fun, as edited by yours truly.
As opposed to 4.5 hour streams.
my
They're like
pills
40
already?
minute videos.
Son?
Shepard.
God, we really are the same fucking person.
I have no son.
Both, or like one. Just to make sure I don't forget like
Oh. Look.
Origami.
Just
My
figured
children
it out.
loved origami.
Plural?
I taught them how to.
You had a second son? Yes.
Seems to be working.
Yeah, I put him on playlist.
She's remembering stuff. Gotta find
Show her a
something
gun.
else to show her.
Do
Show
you
her-
know what this is?
Oh, my son!
What a lovely orchid. My son's love.
Sons?
The locket, maybe?
Man, his name. What was his name? Come closer.
That's a weird name. Boy, that's unfortunate that we don't get to know, even though...
Everyone knows it.
Is this guy?
It's the drug addict.
Left to save Sean Mars.
Nah, he's actually always behind. It's not him.
Goddamn
I
place
think.
somewhere.
Mars is guilty. Case closed.
Alright.
Anyway, it's no
I'm
concern of
getting
yours
up.
now. You're
I'm
off the
washing my
case.
finger. No, I don't think it's him.
Don't watch. I'm sure I've seen this before somewhere.
I was gonna say the detective, but.
Send it on Discord, plus one to send on Instagram. Oh!
It's Larry!
Castle
The
cop
watch
we don't
they
like.
get for promotions to lieutenant. The killer is a cop.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Oh, yes, he is in his eye.
Yeah, you remember when we said using Ari too much was bad?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
that's bad.
Doesn't matter.
Uh-oh.
Is he overdosing?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's overdosing or if that's the RA, but. Oh, he did.
So I was just stuck in Ari now?
Yikes. We'll never know.
Yeah, in fairness, he jumped in front of a car to try and save his kid.
Yep.
Like,
Please don't die, John.
least alcoholic father.
Oh.
Scotty!
Don't forget about this guy.
Who the fuck is Scotty?
Guys, none of you, really?
No. Beat me up? What?
There is only one character in this game.
Shelby, yes.
Scott.
Scott Shelby?
Scott.
It's Shelby? That was my other guess.
Interesting.
That was my other guess.
Who the fuck is Scott?
I cannot believe it. None of you.
None of us knew his first name. And he's much chubbier. Wait. So
Oh
why
my
did
god, gives drunkest drivers the most oblivious pedestrians.
why did he do all of that then?
We're not done with the game yet.
Jesus.
That also would explain why he was wiping the prints and then went to see what's happening.
What is happening? Hello, Mr. Obama?
There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars is.
Scott Shelby don't sound like, hello!
Cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop.
Not because the person who's controlling you is an idiot.
Oh no.
I'm gonna die.
You know what help? Photographic evidence.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Should have brought your camera, bitch.
He's growing orchids.
Oh, with the artificial light. And the typewriter!
Sean Mars. The lunatic's been watching him drown. And a dress.
And all roses.
Roosevelt Trode.
There's no time to lose.
We gotta go to 8:32. Oh.
Hi, how you doing?
So you found my little secret?
It's a big secret, actually.
All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
No, I don't, actually.
Nope.
Was it the center or was it the right?
Oh, great. He set the apartment on fire.
Convenient.
Parkour.
Hardcore.
Oh, you might have to, actually.
You ain't got a choice.
Oh, shit.
It's way too high. I'll kill myself if I jump.
So do you want to have a broken leg or be burnt to death?
Very broken legs. Or very dead. The fuck you talking about, Sean?
I ain't like that. I ain't like that.
She actually should be fine. It'll hurt like hell.
Actually, that was,
Is she dead?
No.
she
She looks
dead.
a little dead.
Let's see how many mistakes
he's
we
so
can
dead.
make in the next.
5.8 inches.
Hell yeah.
I love how, like, we've murdered a lot of people on accident and on purpose.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's a good balance. Well rounded.
Yep.
But was she really integral to the story?
Actually, kind of, yes, it seems like.
I guess towards the end, but like...
Y'all playing as me now, the fuck.
It's
true.
Oh.
Whoa!
Because she died, so no one could go get him.
Oh my god. Is this the worst ending we could possibly
think
probably.
Wait,
Worse than
yeah,
me.
I think it is Heavy Rain. We got the achievement Heavy Rain.
Oh shit, we're
Ethan was
bad.
convicted. We killed Madison. The son died. Shelby wasn't caught.
Oh,
Only
don't
killed
forget.
Lauren.
Shit.
Yeah, I was supposed to say, don't forget Lauren.
Oh.
That actually might have been the
God.
worst ending we could have gotten.
We're not
Actually,
going out the window.
keep
Go
walking.
left. Yeah. Oh look, the door was
Door.
right there.
Oh.
Get in the fridge. Get in the fridge. Label fridge.
Yeah.
Quickly.
So, remember how you said this was Indiana Jones and then I said it was Who Framed Roger Rabbit? You were right.
Oh, maybe doing that for us a long time. It is
That's
National
true.
Beer Can Appreciation.
Oh
What? She
shit!
just fucking sauntered out?
Nah, yeah, but a 3-story drop will kill her.
What the fuck is this game, dude?
The continuity.
Are you
Bro.
fucking kidding me?
Sean,
You're moving too fast.
hang on.
This is a run.
I'll get you out.
You're supposed to be dead.
And you're supposed to be a
you're
fucking
right.
police officer. Fuck you.
You killed all these people, Scott. And for what? Nothing. Just to ease your pain. It has to stop now. It won't make your pain go away.
Pain, go away.
No doubt.
No, not yet. Oh no!
Looking out for it.
Ah! Ah!
Really?
Ah! That's fuck.
Where are you gonna go?
Jump!
Oh, but that doesn't kill.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Oh!
Oh!
Get the gun.
Shit.
Grab the
Get
gun.
the
Yes.
gun.
Go ahead.
Okay. Aww.
Really?
Oh, this whole time?
Again, I just want to point out.
This
she
is
killed-
much more exciting
I was
than the
gonna
ending we got.
Where everyone is dead.
Or yeah.
Holy shit, she's doing great.
Considering she has a broken leg, yeah.
That she's now
Push,
standing
push,
on?
push.
Oh.
Don't grab her.
Nope.
No, fuck you.
No.
Don't help.
I have
No,
to.
help!
John!
I'm a better person.
No, John!
He's gonna kill us!
John!
Now you decide to be
Whoa, that
more.
was close. Thanks, he's gonna push
He's
you
gonna
off.
punch you in the face.
Yes!
You could possibly see this coming.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Oh, better ending. Never mind.
that was very sharp for a flat piece of ice.
I mean, it was a lot of force.
He looks like Sephiroth. It's Aerith.
Dun, dun,
He's
dun.
Aerith.
Oh,
Save him.
Go!
Sunset.
Did we run out of time?
All that for nothing.
Not
Oh,
nothing.
no. We're good.
Oh, he's
Oh,
okay.
no, wait.
Wait, he's got so much space over his head.
What?
He's unconscious.
Yay!
I know you don't know who I am. It's a long story.
Next morning, when the police announced
Simple mind.
Sean Mars alive.
Hooray!
The police found
We
Sean
saved
alive.
the
Yes.
child.
Yeah, the police found Sean alive. Oh, now they're paying attention. Oh, shut the fuck up, Sean. Shut up, Jason.
Ah, she wrote this game.
Oh God.
No wonder it's so terrible.
What's your name?
Vincent. Excellent
Vincent,
investigation, Miss Page. You are one brave lady. You deserve a better adversary.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Ferocious.
Excuse me.
What?
I don't. Was that supposed to be a setup for the next game?
Yep.
Have we ever gotten a next game?
I don't
Bro.
know. So.
We got a slightly less terrible ending.
That is
Yeah.
slightly less terrible.
We didn't kill the kid this
David
time.
Cage has stated that he doesn't intend to make a Heavy Rain 2.
Not our best.
No.
Not our best.
We did fine. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I
mean,
would say
we
it's
got
not
the
our
best
worst,
worst
but
ending.
Yeah, I would say it's not our worst,
Game.
except that was in fact the
Like,
worst.
by
we've ever
Literally
done.
the worst
By
possible ending.
definition.
It was literally